Hello, my name is Jesus Alfredo Malua Helput, a student engineering industrial, state to pronunciation activity, uh, talking about my tourist destination. So, what is most unknown food you have tried on a trip? Uh, the most unknown food is the typical dish of tomato nariño, fish, and cacao. That are the most visited place or tourist attraction in your city. Facatativa as very beautiful place, such as the tombstones. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most amazing activity on my trip being in the caves. Was What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The most expensive place I visited was the Bougainville restaurant. What are best things that have happened due to you on at a trade? Mention do. The best thing that had happened to me on try art. Same family that I have never met and visiting my grandmother. Gracias. Thanks. Bye.